Hey everyone, welcome back. Creating a Bumble account using your phone number is simple and secure if you follow the right steps. Start by installing the Bumble app from the Play Store or Apple Store. Then open the app and then tap sign up. After that, choose the phone number option when asked when you want to how you want to continue. Enter your active phone number and wait for the verification code. Once the code pops up, put it in and then once you get the code in, type the code as exactly as received. After verification, step up your profile by adding photos and basic details. Make sure your information is accurate to avoid account issues later. Once completed, your Bumble account will be ready to use. Using a real and active phone number helps to keep your account safe, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.